Hey guys, just a quick update from West Boulevard. So the gutter up there was completely blocked, full of crap, and as a result, a lot of the rainwater dripped down onto here, creating a lot of issues. That's being cleared away now. That's being cleared away. There was basically that was in the gutter, so that created a lot of water issues. Did the fans on just to help dry the paint. Okay, so this is the kitchen. The tiles have gone down. The grouting will be done once the kitchen units are in. Kitchen units are ready. The builder will collect it and install it once everything here is ready. Sockets are in. Okay. Upstairs, I think first coating paint has been done. Just stay away. This is the tiling. That's the tiles for the bathroom. They originally sent the wrong ones, but they didn't. They sent the others, and that's fine. So we'll return the incorrect ones they've sent. And two. This is the final bedroom. So the gutter up there was dripping down onto there, created a bit of a mess. That has been replaced. So the builder's going to give it another few days, see if that fixed everything, and then we'll just take it from there. Alright, see you.